Hi everyone, so I'm here with Phil. He is fixing my car because it needs a lot of fixing. No, it's not a Tesla, but you know what? Those of us who have Hyundai Elantras really appreciate his help and his knowledge because he can fix anything. So he's gonna teach us a little bit about the
tire. So she wanted to know if her tire was good. So the tire here, first you look at the tread, of course. See if it's flat, a nice flat tread. Look at the hammer here. You can see what I'm talking about. You don't have any butterflying effect. It's flat all the way. The wear is even. You can put the little penny in there to see if it goes past the Lincoln's neck.
a penny.
And a penny, yes. So the
That's
penny,
cool.
penny depth.
Okay.
Just do that. It's a popular test.
A
So-
popular test that Z did not know and a lot of women don't know.
So you put the penny in the tread on the bottom, sticking the penny straight up. And if you see the bottom of Lincoln's neck, you change your tires.
Yay,
So over
my tires
here-
are good.
You can see if how old the tires are, the age of the tire.
Okay.
So here it's in an oval frame here. It says 4717. The
Okay,
front
we'll see it.
numbers, I have no idea. But 4717 means the 47th week of 2017, these tires were made.
Oh wow, that
So-
is awesome.
Yeah, so it's the end of 2017. Right now we're at the end of 2019, so it's about 2 years old.
Okay. So hi everybody, I am helping Phil fix my car, but today we are changing the oil of my car and I'm going to unbolt this piece, which is where the oil is pretty much in.
The home of the oil.
Yeah, the oil
Oil's
reservoir.
house. It's called the oil pan. And there's a bolt there called the drain plug.
Right.
So you unloosen that and all the oil will come at you. So it's gonna shoot probably this way.
Which
So-
he's going to help me by holding
Yeah, I'll
this
hold this.
there because we don't want that shooting on me.
No, we don't want the oil all over your face. So we want you to be on like that
So
side.
get it away from where.
A projectile vomiting of oil.
That's right.
Okay.
And we're gonna use using this tool.
Okay, go for it. Start loosening it.
Hold on. So righty tighty, lefty loosey, correct?
Pull hard.
No, this way.
Yeah, now that's it. Loosen. Pull. Oh, you worked out this week. That's good.
Okay, now we got it. Sweet. Okay.
Yes.
Away from this.
And you
'cause
can probably do it with your fingers.
now I
Yes.
can.
And just
You're
keep your
gonna have to-
elbow out of it because
Okay,
it will
you're gonna
shoot.
have to get close.
And you can, if you want to drop that, it's okay. I
Okay,
can get it with a
right.
magnet.
Get both hands. There you go.
I'm gonna put it on the
Yeah,
ground once.
angle it.
Yeah.
And it's
Good.
really simple. There we go.
Okay. So I got this.
You got it?
All I have to do is bring it down.
And I am changing gloves because they're dirty.
You got me.
Yeah.
A little bit. It's splashed. Oh. Well, that's why I put cardboard on the ground. And just keep bringing it back as it feels slower.
Sorry guys. It's been about a year since I did this, which Phil taught me how to do
Well,
this.
you only change your oil once a year if you use full synthetic Mobil 1. So it's the extended performance. I don't want all these comments saying, you only change your oil once a year? Well, it's okay because it's the Mobil 1 extended performance.
And in addition to that, what I meant is I only changed it myself once. This is my second time. That's not to say that Phil hasn't changed it after that.
But we're taking care of this car. I
So
like
what are the three things that will guarantee
Oh.
or help with preserving a vehicle?
a vehicle. So there's 3 elements of the earth, if you can remember it that way. So it will save you lots of money. Air in the tires. So air, keep your tires full, 35 pounds, whatever, 40 pounds these days. The harder you make the tire, the less comfortable your ride will be, but the longer the tire will last. So if you do 40 pounds on the side of the tire, it will say the maximum amount of allowable air pressure. But on the door frame, it'll say the manufacturer's comfort air pressure in your tires. So you want to go with the manufacturer of the tire, or you want to go to the manufacturer of the car. Either way, you can figure that out. So air, water, and oil. Water is, of course, you have to keep your engine cool. So make sure your hoses are in good shape. Always top off your radiator. Never open it when it's hot. So water in the engine, keep that. And so there's air, water, and what we're doing now. What is it?
The oil.
Oil.
You do not want to drive your car without oil. You
No
will
oil.
ruin your engine and you will probably kill your car.
You will kill the engine without oil. Just minutes without oil. If that oil can look like the genie bottle that you rub, that oil can is, if that comes on, immediately shut off the car after you and coast to a safe spot on the side of the road. And make sure you don't have oil leaks. Make sure you can keep oil in it, and that would be good. Okay, look,
Perfect.
it looks like it's empty.
Yay. Okay, now.
So don't step on the oil.
No.
Put that bolt went in there.
Yes, it did.
Okay, so we're gonna find a magnet. Get this out.
So Phil was talking about making sure to pull over the road if your oil light comes out, but if you really change your oil on a regular basis and you check your oil, because you know you could have an oil leak, you shouldn't have that problem. Ta-da! We found the bolt
There we go.
and we did not have to dip our hand in it. Okay.
How do you know that trick? Well, I've done it before. Get a magnet.
Smart. Okay.
Let me get a rag and we'll clean that off.
That will be good. Okay, everyone. So the next step up is going to be, I think, the filter.
We got a rag. The Bounty, the quicker picker upper.
Well, free advertisement for Bounty, I guess.
This is not a paid video.
Not a paid video, that's for sure. But of course, if you so choose to use any other paper towel, by all means, use it.
How about Scott towel? Or is that toilet paper?
I would not know, but now we're advertising for Scott too. Okay guys, so final part of the oil replacement process. We poured the oil down, we drained it out, we put the cap back on, and now we are going to pour oil. Philip, I will show you. We're not going to put the whole entire thing. Putting some on. We're going to check with this. Have about, oh yeah, it's,
Oh, you have to wipe it first, and then we'll check it.
I thought you wiped it.
Nope, haven't wiped
Wipe
it
it
yet.
first.
Yep.
Let's try it again.
Okay. There you go. Now you get an accurate reading. No old oil.
Oh yeah, it needs a lot more.
Oh yeah.
Okay, let's get this going.
And check out this oil. I've never seen it before. It's Pento High Performance, a German brand oil. And it's going in the car. It's full synthetic from Mercedes, BMW, Mercedes-Benz, Volkswagen.
Yeah.
Check again.
Oh, okay. So now we still need more.
Yeah,
It's
at the very,
right at this tip.
very
Right here.
tip. Okay, very bottom of that.
I think it's gonna take the whole thing.
Well, that is a 5-quart. So should take at least 4.5 quarts or so.
It's hungry.
Yep, wipe it down. Very nice. But look at this oil. I've never seen oil made in Germany. Bento High Performance. There we go.
That's awesome. Okay, I think we're good.
Wow.
Right here.
Yeah, I think so. What we'll do is we'll start it and check it one more time.
All right.
Here, put the cap on.
Thank you, Phil. Let's start it up.
Yep, go ahead and start her. Put everything down there on the floor. Make sure the oil light, remember the oil light is off.
Nothing in there.
Perfect. Only a brake light, right?
Yeah.
I'm already see right now. Okay, you can turn it off and we'll recheck it. And you always recheck with it off because the oil splashes and it's not a good level.
Yeah, we do not want oil spilling on us. All right.
Yep. You got your safety gloves.
Yep.
Yep, we'll wipe it right as you pull it out.
You do not want oil on your skin. Your skin is holding 50% of your immune system, believe it or not. So you do not want it to absorb these chemicals.
Very true. It's the biggest organ. Okay, so it went down just a little. So we can put probably,
Put more.
looks like maybe 3/4 of a quart.
Yeah. Okay. Let's do this.
I'll get the funnel, you get the oil.
Thank you. Okay.
How much is left? It's a little, see this side light?
It's about here.
Okay, so it has
Maybe
2
about
quarts, so
right
you only
here.
put 3 quarts in.
Okay.
It's a 5/4, so yeah, definitely.
You always want to check. You don't want to overfill it. So it's better that we do it little by little.
Little by little, very true. Bento High Performance Oil.
It's down to here now. So I put about another
Okay,
quart.
that was 4 quarts. That's it. Beauty. Okay.
Okay.
So we'll be replacing or repairing this. It got ripped off from a tire stopper. So as we do this, here would you like
Hi
to hold
everyone.
this up?
Yes. We need to line up these little holes.
Yep, line them up. I'll get this one. I put a fender washer on this bolt, so we don't have to replace this entire thing.
Okay. There we go.
Come on this way a little. There we go. Actually, the washer should be this big, so they can never get ripped out. That one.
Yeah. The ribbon.
Yep. Two of the.
On one side, you need to kind of push the
Oh yeah.
the bumper in to be able. So how about if you push and I don't know what this.
So I'll push it here.
Yeah, go ahead and push it. Yep, right there. It's lined up. But this is
Yeah, we get that. There's 4. No, no,
okay.
no.
Yeah.
Like that. Basically, what you do is you put the bottom in first. You don't push yet until it's all the way in.
But yeah, you're gonna have to push up because the bumper is in the way. Right there.
All 4 little fingers have to get into the
Got it?
hole. So there we go.
Go push it. Right there.
There we go. And now
Got it?
a little rivet in. Sounds like a frog.
Mm-hmm. Okay,
There you go.
great. Woo!
Now this one
That's it.
thing.
This one you have to push to. Right there.
There.
Perfectly lined up. Yep, push it more. Yeah, push it in. There you go.
Rivet goes in.
Beautiful.
The frog rivet goes in.
Okay, now this one needs to go in there.
Okay, so I take the original bolt
Uh-huh.
and then I put a fender washer on it. So it will hold this plastic piece that has the tears in it.
Because I apparently am driving my car in a little too far when I park.
Yep.
I keep pulling these
Everybody can
things.
do that. And these two here. That one there. (2013) Hyundai Elantra. Front splash shield, oil change, and crankshaft position sensor replaced.
Perfect.